Some cars do not try to impress the world. They simply improve the lives of the people who drive them. And the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross is one of those vehicles. In a world full of EV hype, loud designs, and complicated tech, this SUV stays calm, reliable, focused on what truly matters: comfort, efficiency, practicality, and Toyota-level dependability. Today we explore why the 2026 Corolla Cross has quietly become one of the smartest SUV choices for real-life drivers, especially families, professionals, and long-term planners. Design understated strength. Toyota did not build this SUV to scream for attention. It looks confident, clean, and mature. A more refined grille, sharper LED signature lighting, balanced proportions, and a shape that feels modern yet familiar. This is not a car trying to be something it is not. It is a car built to be useful, not flashy. Interior comfort first. Step inside and the world softens. Supportive seats, improved sound insulation, smart cabin space, modern driver display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Toyota's latest infotainment system. Every button, every screen, every feature has a purpose. Nothing is confusing, nothing is extra. It simply works. This interior is not about showing off. It is about feeling relaxed every single day. Performance, real-world power. The 2026 Corolla Cross comes with two engine setups, a reliable gas engine and a highly efficient hybrid powertrain, not built for racing, built for everyday life where smoothness and savings matter. Quiet acceleration, excellent fuel economy, comfort-tuned ride, stability in city driving and highways. This is not power for ego. It is power for peace of mind. Hybrid advantage. While the world debates EV versus gas, Toyota already mastered hybrid stability. Expect over 40 mpg combined on average, and long-term reliability that Toyota is famous for. A hybrid system proven worldwide. Minimal battery stress, smooth electric assist acceleration, efficiency without sacrifice. This is the future most people actually need. Safety and trust. Toyota Safety Sense comes standard. Adaptive cruise, lane assist, auto emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, 360 camera options, designed not just to protect, but to prevent danger before it happens. Families choose Toyota for a reason. Trust takes decades to build. Hype lasts only weeks. Who should buy this SUV? Not for social media flexing, not for racing, not for showing off. This is for families, students and daily commuters, professionals, long-term thinkers, people who want peace, not headaches. If you value reliability, fuel savings, comfort, and practicality, the Corolla Cross speaks your language. Closing. Luxury is not always loud. Sometimes luxury is knowing your car will start every morning, save you money, and stay with you for years. That is the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross. Quiet confidence, everyday strength, future-proof practicality. Thank you for watching. If you appreciate calm, true, real-world car reviews, subscribe and join us. More clarity, more comfort, less noise. See you in the next video.